Okay, I want to show you this video on how to invite others to help you manage your Facebook page account. As a Facebook page owner, you have, kind of created a Facebook page, want to promote a product, a brand, or whatever yourself. And most times, it's not every time you're going to have your time to do what you're supposed to do. You have a lot, so you need to assign some others to help you admin that page. Already Facebook knows you are the one that opened the page because your profile, whatever was using, opened it. So in order to get others to be part of that team, there are processes, and that's exactly what this particular short video is all about. So once you log into, you have opened up your page, like in this case, this is the page. I'm on that page now. So what do I do next? I'm using mobile. Actually, if you are using a laptop to do this, you might be seeing some things different. Now, let me also be guiding us as I'm talking now. If you're using a laptop, once you open up to your page like this, on the left-hand side where you have all those buttons, you're going to see settings option. Please click on that. But here, I'm going to click on this manage because I'm using mobile right now. I'm going to click on manage. So when I click on it, let's see what happens. It has already taken me to my professional dashboard. So I'm getting to this page access, pay recommendation, and all that. So what is important to me now is page access, because I want to give access to this page access to some people. So that is this first one. Sometimes you may not see it being on top. It can be anywhere, but be mindful of that page access. So I click on it. Now, having clicked on it, you're going to be seeing people with Facebook access, people with tax access, and all that. So I'm going to click on people with Facebook access because I want to add some new persons. So I click on add new. Now, the system is telling me, giving me some informations. I click on continue, that's next. At this point, what do I need to do? Now, because we are saying people with Facebook assets, whoever they want to add to manage your Facebook page must have been a member of Facebook. And most times, the system demands that they are even part of your friends. You understand? They need to be part of your friends. It's very important. So, let me assume I type that friend here. I know the name of the person, and that's how it's supposed to be. You cannot just be adding someone to be part of your project when you don't even know the name. You must have had the person as a friend. So let me assume this is the person I want to add. I've written this, and you need to be mindful of this. Any particular name you type on Facebook, you might see variants of that name in hundreds. So you need to be sure of the actual person. Now look at this name I typed. I'm seeing so many persons with that name, but I know the one I want to deal with. So I click here. Now, having got this, the Facebook is giving me some instruction. This name now, I'm adding. If I eventually click on give access, the system is going to send information to the person to accept. Because one thing is for you to ask someone to be part of your admin, and that is for the person to accept being your admin. So the person is going to accept it. Then it works perfectly. But you need to be mindful of this, that this person you want to add as your admin, number one, he or she has power to create, manage, or delete posts, stories, and more as the page. Yes, anything the person does here concerning creating a post, managing posts, whatever, it will always be credited to the page. That's why if you, even as an admin of this page, if you make someone also an admin, if that person creates a page, what the notification you're going to get is that your page, this particular page, has created a post. It's not the person's name you're going to see there. So every one of you that are part of the admin, anything you do is ascribed to the page. The person also has the permission to respond to the read messages and make calls as the page. That's the second thing. The person also has the power to review and respond to comments, remove unwanted content, and report activity. Now, the person has the power to create, manage, and delete ads for the page. So the person can create ads and manage ads. Are you getting it? For the page. Now, you can give access, but the person also can see how the page content and ads perform. But now look at this. The only thing that person cannot do, which is your power, the power you only have, is that the person doesn't have a full control of the page. The person cannot give access to others, like you want to give access to someone else now. The person cannot remove anyone from that page, including you, and the person cannot delete the page. These are exclusive powers you, the page owner, has, and that is fantastic. Now, but imagine as a page owner, you have got an admin, and this admin, you want him to have a full control, because maybe you feel that it could be your wife, it could be someone close to you. You feel that I just want him to have complete access. Once you give this complete access by clicking here, watch me now, I give it back. That is this. You activate this button. The person has power to remove even you. That means the person can decide to remove you. Yes, since he has the power to remove anyone, he can remove you because you have the same power with him right now. So that's why most times hackers want to get access to some of this stuff. Once they get access to this, they remove you first. They now want to be in charge. So you can't even have access to say, oh, somebody has, done what I want him to do. Let me remove him. When you invite me as, let's say, you're part of your admin team, and I don't have a full access, I may do something in the feed that I don't like what this guy is doing. You can delete, remove me from the page. But if you give me that full access, I may be the one to remove you first. Yes, you can remove me, but I can remove you. And if I mean bad, the first assignment or task I'm going to perform on that page is to take you off. So that's why you don't give that access. So at this point, you have seen this. Don't give this access to anyone except somebody you see as yourself. Now click on give access. Now let me click on it. You click on give access. Once you click on that, information will get to the person you have invited. But before that, look at it. The system will do what? Ask me to put my profile password. Yes. You know why? Because the system wouldn't know if it's a wrong person doing this. Giving somebody access to manage your page is not just a joke. So the system wants to be sure you are the one to confirm your password. Because you are the one that have your password. So if you are not the one, you at this point say, well, you won't give a password. And the other fellow doesn't know your password. But once you are the one, put your password and click confirm, and it goes. I'm not doing that for now, so I'm not going to continue with that. So it goes to the next person. You have been invited to manage a page, accept or reject. The person accepts, and automatically the journey has started. So that's exactly how to invite others to help you manage your page. If you are new to what we are doing here, you must have been watching this video now from our YouTube channel. We encourage you to subscribe to the channel and be part of what we do here. We prepare videos like this. These are what we call how-to videos. A lot of things, few things you should know online, you need to master. These are free resources. So join us here so you can get more and more of this on daily basis. I wish you the best. Thanks for watching.